Hello YouTube, Model Train 9500 here. This is a video on my Intermountain ES40DC, or I hope to be an ES40DC, that I ordered from Hoosier Hobbies off eBay. And I'm just gonna open it up here and show you guys what I got. I'm not gonna lie, the box looks really small. I'm actually kind of nervous if it's what I ordered in here. So let's set the camera down real quick. Let you guys watch the end of my layout, just so I can open this box. How do you... I don't know how to open the box. Seems to be fastened very tight. There we go. Alrighty, so let's see what we got in here. Oh, they fit it in diagonally, if it is what I ordered, with newspaper. And it seems to be the right box-ish. So just set that over there with the rest of the mail. And the first thing I see is funeral, but that's how it goes. And I think we got what we were looking for here. Yep. Invoice thinger. And here it is. Another Intermountain ES40DC. Numbered 7515. I got this to go with my other one. Numbered 7519. So, let's pull it out here. And it didn't say if it was sound or not, but the price was less than that of the non-sound models. So I'm assuming it's no sound, but if it does have sound, then that is quite the awesome surprise. On the side here, it doesn't look like it says sound. So let's turn it on here and see what we get. We have track power, so we'll select locomotive 3, which they come from in the factory, and it looks like it lights up. In the front we got the ditch lights and headlight, and now let's give it a little bit of a run. Crank up the speed here, and there it goes. It's a nice looking model. Bring it back here. It does have rear ditch lights, and I'm going to press the horn button, and it does not flash, although I imagine that would be able to be changed. I'll definitely have more videos of this thing up in the near future. But for now, this is going to be good. Very smooth running locomotive. I'm impressed that they got that thing to fit in this box. I saw this on the driveway, and I was a little afraid there. It did not look like they'd be able to fit one of these Gevos. So that is that. Yeah. A very nice looking model. I'm interested to see how these guys run together here. So I guess what I'm gonna do here is I'll hook these up together at some point, and I'll probably have a running video of those up sometime in the near future. I'll just flip this around here. Put this one in front. I may have a further review on it. I may not. We'll see. They're pretty much the same model. If you want to see the original video, you can. It's definitely there on YouTube, but I'll do that later at some point. So these are my Intermountain ES40DCs. They are both very nice models. 7515 and 7519. Now this one has sound. This one does not. But I don't really want to run two of them with sound. That would be too loud, especially for the size layout I have here. But this is definitely enough here. I'll probably get one or two more BNSF, and then I'll be done getting locomotives, and I'll start working on my layout, which I will definitely show more videos of as I work on it here. But to get the general idea of what it looks like, the new layout, I still gotta work and put some bushes on it. But that I will play around with in time. So until then, thank you for watching, and look for more videos in the future.